In this video, we present our work about automatically annotating indoor images with CAD models via RGB-D scans. My name is Stefan Ainetter, and this work was done together with Sinisa Stekovic and supervised by Friedrich Fraundorfer and Vincent Lepetit. Popular datasets for 3D indoor scene understanding provide either oriented bounding boxes or instance segmentation as ground truth annotations, but they do not directly provide annotations for the shapes of the objects. However, such ground truth annotations are important for training supervised methods, for example for CAD model retrieval and alignment from RGB. In our work, we present a method to automatically retrieve good CAD models for objects in the scene. Our method is not based on learning and thus does not require registered 3D models. Instead, we rely on an analysis by synthesis approach to select a CAD model from a database. Our method delivers high-quality CAD model annotations where the reprojection of the CAD models fit well into the images. Our method uses as input the 3D scan of an indoor scene and either the 3D box annotation or 3D object instance segmentation to accurately retrieve and align CAD models from the ShapeNet database. The first part of our method performs independent CAD model retrieval for each object in the scene. As next step, we perform CAD model cloning, a method to identify the objects in the scene that share the same geometry and represent them with a common CAD model. The last step is differentiable pose refinement, to optimize the 9° of freedom pose for each object. Throughout our whole pipeline, we are using an objective function which is mainly based on comparing 2D observations. To generate these observations, we first replace the target object in the scene with a CAD model from the CAD model database. This is done by removing all 3D points in the scene which are part of the target object. Then we directly insert a suitable CAD model from the CAD model database. An example of the observations from the modified scene is shown on the right. By comparing these depth renderings to the sensor depth, it is possible to select a CAD model which fits best to the real object. We directly compared our automatically generated annotations with the manual annotations from Scan to CAD. For each of our retrieved objects, we calculated the difference of rotation, translation, scale and shape to the Scan to CAD objects. As we can see, the majority of our predicted annotations do have a very small difference compared to the Scan to CAD ground truth, which indicates the high quality of our results. Additionally, we asked a group of computer vision experts to visually compare the quality of our annotations to the corresponding Scan to CAD annotations. We can see that for over 50% of the examples, the experts chose that our annotations are similar or better than Scan to CAD annotations. Finally, we show some qualitative results of our method. As our method automatically retrieves CAD models in the scene, it is possible to also annotate objects that are missing in Scan to CAD, which are highlighted in red. Here we show results for the ARKitScenes dataset. Objects with common geometry are highlighted with the same color. Thank you for your attention.